y'all, so I'm going to be showing y'all where I'm at right now. I have the ham. It is in the oven. I'm about to add some liquid to the top of it. Um, Big turkey is out. Innards are out. And then I just finished the chipotle butter compote for the turkey. Let's go on the turkey. I think it came out really well. I can see. But yeah, it's a really nice color. That's the butter. It's nice. And oh, there it is. So yeah, I made this butter from regular butter with some seasonings. Chipotle as the base. That's where we are so far. And currently right now, and the time is 3:15 in the morning. Okay, guys, so this is the ham fresh out the oven. She was looking really nicely glazed. Look at her. Like, I really did my big one. She has the crust. Like, I just really did my big one. But yeah, that's the turkey. As I was putting the butter on, the butter mixture came out really well, and it was nicely coated. Then I melted it down. I melted whatever was left in the butter bowl down, and I started to inject the turkey. This is my first year being able to use my injector. I got the injector this year. I do want to say that it does help extremely. My turkey was extremely juicy from the breast to the dark meat, so I definitely recommend this technique. It really made my turkey super flavorful, super good. Just be careful when you're putting it in. Only put a little bit at a time because it will squirt out. Those are my cornbread or my jiffy for my stuffing. That's another glimpse of the turkey, because I just wanted you guys to see how juicy, I mean, not the turkey, the ham, sorry, how it was on the sides. It was so juicy. My hands were washed. I was the cook. I cooked basically everything except for the Jamaican food and the greens. But this is her going into the oven with the Jiffy stuffing that I made. And I take the Jiffy stuffing out before the turkey is done. And that's how it came out. So sweet. One of my family members said it tasted like cinnamon cornbread. But yeah. These were all the drinks. I also had Capri Suns for the kids that I didn't have put in there yet. Here I am using my new food processor that I was gifted to grate the cheese for the mac and cheese. Oh my God. If you guys do not have one of these, please get it like right now because it saved my life. Like, I hate hand grating cheese. I was always the cheese grater at my house. Like, I literally hated it. And this, oh my God, it changed my life. The one thing I will say is the motor smell was a little bit much. Here's the last ones that I did. I wanted to show you guys the different cheeses I used, which was Gouda, Edam. Everything else was like pretty normal, like Colby Jack, cheddar, and I forget what the other cheeses was, but they were like pretty normal. I think Monterey was the other one. But yeah, everything else was like normal cheeses. So I wanted to show you guys the different types of cheeses that I used. But yes, I 100% recommend getting one of these. The only thing that I would say was bad is like you can kind of smell a burning smell. I don't know if it's the motor or something rubbing against the plastic. So keep that in mind with this one. This one, I believe it was bought from Walmart. I forget what the brand was, but anyways, it was a lifesaver. Like, look at all this cheese. Like, I didn't have to hand grate my cheese. Look, that's another bowl of cheese back there. Like, it just made it 100% easier for me to get this done, especially since I was in charge of all of the main dishes. So I definitely recommend one. But this is all the cheeses. Look how beautifully grated it came out. So that was like 4 blocks there, like another block and a half there, then another block, 2 blocks there. So I really wanted to make mine cheesy this year. Next, you're going to just see the stuff that we used for the sweet potato souffle. So that's the sweet potatoes all mashed down, mixed with sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and all of that. This is her when she came out. She was looking so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at the wings literally fell off of her. The wings literally fell off. I've never had that happen before on a turkey. So that's why I said the injector, it really, really helped, and it really made a huge difference. Like, this turkey was so good. And a lot of people ate white meat. Usually, like, white meat isn't a big thing in this house. But, like, the way people were tearing it up, guys. So definitely inject your turkey as it's cooking and before it goes into the oven. It just made this turkey so amazing. I couldn't stop picking out it when it came out the oven. I don't know if anybody else does that, but me and my mom, like, we will pick at certain parts of the turkey. This is me getting the mashed potatoes together. I added, the cheese, garlic paste, sour cream, truffle oil, Parmesan. Oh my God, these were so amazing. They were gone so fast. I should have made more. My mom said I only needed to make half a bag, and that shit was gone like within the first few plates. And it was so good. I actually had like a little bit left over, and I made sure I snuck and got it so that I could actually eat some. This is the crab dip. That's my crab all seasoned and ready to be cooked. That's the fresh herbs that will be sauteed into it. It's onions and green onions. Just an onion and green onion. I'm an onion girl. I don't really do too much on vegetables. I'm not a pepper girl. I'm 100% an onion and garlic girl, like all the way 150% around. I put onions and garlic in just about everything, and there's never too much of it. This is me cooking down the crab with the fresh herbs. When I tell you guys, this stuff came out so fragrant, so seasoned, so amazing. It was a hit. Everybody had this as an appetizer first before getting their food. And they was loving it. They kept going in. And I also made the chips for this homemade, so you'll see that too. A lot of the kids were just like eating the chips. But this is the mixture after I mixed it with the cream cheese and a little bit of extra seasonings. So that's how it all comes together. It came together really creamy, really rich. Crab came through, no shortage of crab flavor. It was really, really good, guys. So after I mix all of this, I just put it into a baking pan. And I cover it with cheese, Parmesan, and some parsley flakes. And I put that in the oven. And you have this amazingness. Oh my God. I wish you guys could hear the crackle and the amazing, like, look, it's trying to burst through the crust. The crust, I've never had a crust come out this well, like a top crust. This top crust was like immaculate, better than the Mac. And that was a quick glimpse of me doing the chips. This is me getting together the macaroni and cheese. I did a roux cheese sauce first, and then I also added an immense amount of grated cheese. As you can see, the cheese to noodle ratio is very much giving. The cheese is very much winning, and that's how you know you're going to have an amazing mac and cheese, is when you see all of that. Look at this. Look at this greatness. Oh my God, guys, it came out so good. I was so proud of myself. Look how pretty that pan is. I just want to eat it again. I want to eat it again. Shout out to the kid's dad's brother. He got me a bottle of wine. Those are the greens and the chicken. That's the only things that my mom made. She also made rice to go with the chicken, of course. Everything else was made by me. This is my family. Not everyone made it. It wasn't the greatest turnout, but a lot of people did show up, but they just showed up in different times of the day. So this is me showing you guys everything. That's the chips. This is the ham, turkey, stuffing, souffle, mashed potatoes, everything after it was all done. That is my mom sharing plates. As you can see, that's why we didn't have mashed potatoes. Oh my God, did you see that scoop? Jesus, Mom. And then, that's the kid's dad. And yeah, we just had a great day. It was an amazing I got to spend a little one-on-one time with the newborn in our family. She's so precious. She's so amazing. She is so cute. I just love her. But yeah, this is the family just enjoying playing a little bit of games. I had been done cooking, so I got to finally relax. I did not eat till the next day, guys. That's how busy it was. And, you know, by the time you're getting done cooking and everything, it's just like, wow, the time is gone and you're not even hungry anymore. So, but yeah, everybody came that could. It was a great day. I really enjoyed myself and my family loved my food. This is what I wore. I wore the Shein dress from one of my hauls. It came out super cute. It was given Thanksgiving Betty Homemaker. But yeah, Thanksgiving came out really great, guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I love you guys. Like, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks for tuning in. Mwah.